Hello guys. Today I will be telling you how to turn into a neutron star, for those of you who are desperate to become one. It will not be easy, since neutron stars will only form when something with a lot of energy and is extremely large collapses. But you have to have the right amount of energy, otherwise you will collapse into a black hole. This is why this will be so hard. If you wanted to become a black hole, all you would have to do is send any type of wave through your body with wavelength smaller than a photon, 10 times 10 to the power of negative 20th meters. This will basically compress particles inside your body into spaces smaller than a photon and will basically cause a supernova and leave a black hole. This will obviously also require a huge amount of energy. If you want the waves to have an amplitude of 2 meters, then your wave will have to be about 6 decibels, and you will need to have at least this number of joules. But if you want to become a neutron star, you will have to be more exact. The wavelengths will have to be from 2.5 times 10 to the power of negative 19th to 10 times 10 to the power of negative 20th meters, or it will have to have a frequency of 1.199169832 times 10 to the power of 27, 2.9979245 times 10 to the power of 28 Hz. This would also require 2.5x less joules than to make a black hole. The outcome of this will be similar to the black hole one, just less powerful. Sadly, the resulting neutron star would only have a volume of 1.826 times 10 to the power of negative 9th cubic meters, or about 382 trillion times less than a small neutron star. But now you might be wondering, how would you possibly get that much energy? The answer is from a supernova. If you could somehow harness all the energy from a supernova, you would have enough to create another one basically. You would also probably evaporate Earth and any other nearby planets, so it is not recommended for you to become a neutron star. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I helped you on your quest to become a neutron star. Bye.